is the Godavari Basin. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river. It rises from the slopes of Western Ghat. Here is the Godavari, slopes of the Western Ghat, in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. The total length of Godavari is 1,500 km. It drains into Bay of Bengal. The basin which are formed by the Godavari is also largest in the peninsular India. Godavari Basin covers the part of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and some parts of Orissa. 50% of the basin lies in Madhya Pradesh. In Maharashtra. 50% of the Godavari Basin lies in Maharashtra. The Godavari is joined by a number of tributaries such as the Purna, the Varda, the Pranhita, the Manjra, the Vainganga and the Penganga. The last three tributaries are very large. Because of its length and the area it covers, it is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Because of the length, the Godavari is the largest river in the peninsular India. It is also known as Dakshin Ganga. The Mahanadi Basin. The Mahanadi rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. It flows through Orissa to reach Bay of Bengal. The drainage basin of Mahanadi is shared by Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa. The length of river Mahanadi is 860 km. Next is the Krishna Basin. River Krishna rises in the spring in Mahabaleshwar, and it flows about 1,400 km and reaches the Bay of Bengal. The Tungabhadra and the Koyana, the Ghatprabha, the Mushi and the Bhima are some of its tributaries. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Kaveri Basin. The Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri in Western Ghat and reaches to Bay of Bengal in the south of the Cuddalore in Tamil Nadu. The total length of the river is about 760 km. Its main tributaries are Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini. Its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri makes the second biggest waterfall in India, known as Jog Falls. The hydroelectric power generated from the falls is supplied to the Mysuru, Bengaluru and Kolar Goldfield. Besides these major rivers, there are some small rivers flowing towards the east. These rivers like Damodar, Subarnarekha, Brahmani and Baitani. So these are the rivers which flows east, towards east Bay of Bengal and drain into Bay of Bengal.